Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. I'm Chris, and today I'm tackling something that I haven't touched before on the smoker. Well, that's not true. I did try it once, my very first cook on my smoker. I did spare ribs and failed miserably. So this time I'm going to try them again. I got some St. Louis cut spare ribs. We'll see how they turn out. Stick around. And here are our St. Louis cut spare ribs that we're going to be doing on the smoker today. Got them from Costco. They were already pre-cut like this. The rib tips are separate as well. I'm going to throw those on the smoker also, but we're just going to season these up right now. So I'll quick flip them over. We'll do the underside first. And I've got a few different layers of flavor that I'm going to put on here. First is just some garlic jalapeno. Just a small layer of that. And next I've got a little bit left of some sugar maple rub that I picked up in Alaska. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that. I don't have a whole lot of it left. And then finally, we're going to use some Bad Byron's butt rub for the main seasoning on these ribs. And this I'm going to be a little bit more generous with. To get a nice, good coating. And now this is just the underside, so I'm not going to worry too much. Flip these over. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. A little bit of garlic jalapeno. Adding some of the sugar maple. Just got a big clump of that left. And then the Bad Byron's to finish it off. A nice good coating on both of these racks. Like so. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do the rib tips up and get the smoker ready to go, and we'll come back. The coals are ready. We're gonna dump them in. So we are going with cherry wood today, and we'll be using the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours on smoke, 2 hours wrapped, 1 hour unwrapped, and we will go from there. I'm gonna put the smoker together, and then we will come back when it's up to temp. Just got the ribs on. I will just lift the lid up here and give you a quick look. There you go. So once again, we're hanging the ribs. First time that I'm hanging spare ribs, so we'll see how those turn out. I haven't had any real failures with hanging ribs before. I expect this will be exactly the same. Got them in there and they are good to go. We've got our temperatures right around 225, 230, so that's perfect. Come back in about an hour. We'll spritz the ribs down and see how they look. All right, we are at 1 hour since we put the ribs on. Let's take a look. Looking pretty good so far. All right, I'm gonna spritz them down. I've got a mixture of some apple cider vinegar, water, and some hot sauce. We're gonna let them go for another hour, come back, spritz them again, and we'll keep on going from there. The ribs have been on for about 3 hours, just a little bit over that. So it's time to wrap them up. I've got some butter laid out here on the tin foil already. And then I'm going to add some brown sugar here. Not a whole lot, but just enough to kind of cut into the spiciness of the rubs that we've put on. We're gonna lay the ribs down flat right like that. Wrap them up nice and tight. That once. And then again a second time. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to do the other pieces that we have here, and then we will get them back out on the smoker. Ribs have been wrapped for just under 2 hours. I pulled them a little early because the smoker was running a little bit hotter than I wanted, so I think they are done a little bit early. Yeah, these are super tender already. Wow. And hot. Wow. There we go. Look at those. Look at that. The bones are pulling back really good. Well, it is time to get these sauced. So what I'm going to use is some Smokin' Stampede Beef and Chipotle President's Choice. Used it before. It is awesome. I'm going to use it again. Now this is just going to be the first layer of sauce. Probably about halfway through, in another half an hour, I'll put some on again. All right. That is good for the first layer. We'll set this back on the smoker to set the sauce. And I'm going to get the other racks sauced as well, and then we'll get them back on. Here are the finished ribs. Hit them with sauce twice, and they took smoke for about 3 hours, 15 minutes. They were wrapped for about an hour and 45, and then spent just about an hour unwrapped getting sauce. So let's cut in. We'll cut in this one here. Oh, they seem like they are pretty darn tender. Just kind of coming apart. So there we go. You can see that looks pretty good. That is fantastic. Wow. That might be some of the best ribs I've had. not quite fall off the bone, just a little bit of pull when you bite in. Those are delicious. The combination of the rubs on there, cherry wood, sauce, absolutely amazing. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below as well. Let me know what you thought about this video. Share with your friends, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and also hitting the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, everybody, and you have yourself a great night.